Hello Math 7, this is lesson 76. Today's lesson involves comparing fractions. So, this is what it will look like. 3/5 compared to 5/8. Which is smaller, which is bigger? Please listen very carefully. You cannot compare fractions when the denominators are different. You cannot compare fractions, you have to change them. You have to convert them to decimals. Please don't try. You will guess wrong most of the time. Okay, so 3/5 compared to 5/8. Which one's smaller? Which one's less? Which one's greater? What you have to do is you have to change these to decimals. So this is read as 3 divided by 5. To take a fraction and turn it into a decimal, you have to divide it. Remember, you're going to write it just like you say it. So if I say 3 divided by 5, I'm going to write 3 divided by 5. So here we go. 3 divided by 5. All right, can 5 go into 3? No, 0 times. Let's put our decimals in there. Add a 0. Can 5 go into 30? Yes, 6 times evenly. So the decimal for 3/5 is 0.6. Now let's do 5/8. 5 divided by 8 is written as 5 divided by 8. Can 8 go into 5? No, 0 times. Put our decimals in, add a 0. Can 8 go into 50? Yes, 6 times. 48. 8 times 6 is 48, subtract it. 10 minus 8 is 2. Add another 0, bring it down. Can 8 go into 20? Yes, 2 times. We have 16. Borrow from the 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. Add another 0, bring it down. 8 goes into 40 5 times evenly. So now we have 0.6 and 0.625. So which one's bigger? Which one's smaller? They're very close. Let's put this 0.6 underneath. Always line them up and down. And then fill it in to zeros. What's smaller, 600 or 625? 600 is. So we're going to point to the smallest one. 3/5 is smaller than 5/8. Let's do another one. Sometimes they'll also do this. 3/4. Is it less than, greater than, or equal to 0.7? Well, this is nice. This is already in a decimal, so we don't have to change anything there. But we have to make this into a decimal. And we divide it out. 3 divided by 4. 3 divided by 4. Can 4 go into 3? Nope, 0 times. Add our decimals, add a 0. Can 4 go into 30? Yes, 7 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract. Bring down 10 minus 8 is 2. Make another 0. Bring it down. Can 4 go into 20? Yes, 5 times evenly. So we have 0.75 compared to 0.7. Let's line them up. Add zeros to make them to have the same numbers. What's smaller, 70 or 75? 70. So we point to the 0.70. Let's do one more. 1/2. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to 2/3? Well, we cannot compare them as fractions. We have to change them to decimals. 1 divided by 2. Can 2 go into 1? Nope. 0 times. Add your decimals. Add a 0. Can 2 go into 10? Yep. Evenly 5 times. So this is 0.5. Now let's do our 2/3. 2 divided by 3. Can 3 go into 2? Nope. Add our decimals. Add a 0. Can 3 go into 20? 6 times. 3 times 6 is 18. Subtract. we're going to see a pattern here. It's 20. So it's going to be 0.6 repeat. Because it's 20, 20, and we're always going to get 18. All right, which is smaller, 5 or 6? 5. There you go. Good luck.